cute. We're gonna do a Ross dress for less. How much is it? $8. I'm a sucker for the mini bags. You know, if you buy on Amazon or whatever, whatever, if you buy the mini bag, it's so expensive. But this one, it comes with lip liner, lip pencils, and lip glosses. So yeah, why don't we just do it? $8. Yep. I like the mini bag. You know, you can use it for your bag change, bag charm, add some more accessories. Look, looks like a Hermes Birkin. Look at that. It is so cute. You better go check it. Okay, let me see. For travel, look at that. I don't know if it's for gifting. We need to see lip gloss, this color. Okay, I was like, what? I thought only 2 lip gloss. I like the color. Okay, it's so hard. Oh, okay. Look, for $8, it comes with lip. Okay, let me see. That's the thing. It's kind of light though, just. And this one. Okay, and then this the lip gloss, a different color. Okay, let me see what. Made in, of course, you know where I'm made from. Like, I like the bag. I like the bag. You can put any. We'll see. I think card will fit in here for sure. Card will fit any card. It's so cute. With some chains, and then you have a shoulder crossbody. It's so cute. You better go get it. And it's $8. It comes with this. If you're not gonna use this, you can just give. But I'm gonna use the lip liner and the lip gloss. It is so cute. Kind of hoping they will bring different colors. I like it. I like it, and it really worked. Look at this. I did not get the other mini bag. It's black color because I already have the black. I want like a different colors for string. It looks like Hermes, right? Look at that. About the other one bag, I need to show it to you. I don't remember where did I put it, but look, this is so cute. And of course, I'm a sucker for the mini bag. See? Now I have another lip gloss. You know, if you're not gonna use it, might as well give thing. Okay, we're back. This I said made cruelty free. Yep. I like it. Peach mango, sweet strawberry, and pink guava. Sounds yummy, but I like with the bag again. Okay. You can use it for your traveling. The bag. Oh, already ripped it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Look at the strawberry. Look at that. The packaging. I like the bag. I think I got that. But it's so really tiny. It is really tiny. But it got some. I like that one. It's kind of like still big. Look at that. It's really tiny. But it comes with the lip gloss. This is the peach mango. Ooh, look at this. If this is your color. And then, oh, the strawberry. Oh. This is pink guava and the strawberry. Juicy lip oil. Yummy. Look. And the other one. It kind of look like the same. Pink. It looks like pink to me. And then for the bag, I need the scissors for this. But it got zipped though. It's so tiny. And I have the dresses, but it's already washing, so. But I don't know, for some reason, all our utensils, spoon, fork, they're always missing. I don't know if it's not socks missing. The spoon and fork always missing. And $18 markdown. I save $5. Yes, 16 pieces, and I think that's it.